this up. Oh snap! Hold up. That's terrible. Let me fix this. Give me 1 second, y'all. 1 second to fix this. 1 second. Talking about. Man, my screen has been. I don't know what's up with the screen, but give me 1 sec to fix. Man, this has been the toughest thing to fix. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. For some reason, I can't get my webcam to work sometimes. I don't understand what's going on. What's up, Deontay? Give me a second, y'all. I'm still trying to fix this up. I don't know what's going on. I've been trying to fix it up for the past... I'm trying to fix it for the past couple of minutes. Man, this is so annoying. I don't understand why it doesn't work. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. I don't know. I don't know. Just take it back out. I'm gonna fix it back again. Give me 1 second, y'all. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna try to redo it again. I don't know. Just gonna have to work with what I got. Just gonna have to work with what I got. For some reason, it doesn't want to show. It doesn't want to show. But that's okay. All right, let's get this going. Make sure everything's running well. We're just gonna have to do what we got right here. It is what it is. All right, let's get into it. First things first, I want to spread that word. Let's spread that word first. I'm gonna bring this down. All the way down. I don't know why it doesn't want to work. It was working before, but for some reason, it just doesn't not want to do it no more. Might have to buy a new adapter for this webcam. Sucks, man. Wow. Whatever. All right. Whatever. Let's get into it. First things first, let's get into that word. John chapter 8, verse 12. Jesus spoke to the people once more and said, I am the light of the world. He is the light of the world. If you follow him, you won't have to walk in darkness because you will have the light that leads you to life. So if you follow Jesus, you wouldn't walk in darkness because you will have him as light to walk this life, right? It also says right here on Matthew 6, chapter 24, no one can serve two masters, for you will hate one and love the other. You will be devoted to one and despise the other. You cannot serve two. You cannot serve God and be enslaved to money, right? That is why I tell you not to worry about every day. Let me get rid of this real quick. Let me get rid of this. Bob, that's better. That is why he tells you not to worry about everyday life. Whether you have enough food and drink, enough clothes to wear. Isn't life more than food? Right? And your body more than clothing? Look at the birds. Don't they plant or harvest or store food in barns? For your heavenly Father feeds them. And aren't you far more valuable to him than they are? Can all of you worrying add a single moment to your life? And why worry about your clothing? Look at the lilies of the field and how they grow. They don't work or make their clothing. Yet Solomon, rich, right? Solomon, in all of his glory was never not dressed as beautifully as they are. And if God cares so wonderfully for wildflowers that are here today and thrown into the fire tomorrow, he will certainly care for you. Why do you have so little faith? So don't worry about these things saying, what will we eat? What will we drink? What will we wear? These things dominate the thoughts of unbelievers, but your heavenly Father already knows all your needs. Seek the kingdom of God above all else and live righteously, and he will give you everything you need. So don't worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will bring its own worries. Today's trouble is enough for today, right? What's up, Yakubu? So guys, make sure you put your faith and trust in Jesus Christ, in the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Don't worry about what you're going to eat, wear, drink, go, do. Just don't worry about it. Seek first his kingdom and all things will be added to you. He's promising you this. He's letting you know this is the truth. This has been here since the beginning of time. Follow the Holy Scriptures, right? Follow these Holy Scriptures. Keep them close in your heart. Keep these Scriptures close in your heart because they will bring you everlasting life. They will bring you peace. They will bring you joy. You know, it's going to bring you good fruit. All right. See what this market get into. Market already been open. See if we got any news today. See if we got like any crazy news coming out. I'm sorry that y'all not seeing me on a big screen. For some reason, it's not working. I don't know why. I've been trying to get it fixed, but I don't know why it's not working. Just madness, y'all. Just madness. I don't understand. It's this thing. Let me show you. It's this thing. I'm trying to get that fixed. But for some reason, it just doesn't want to fix. I gotta get a better capture card because this thing was made in, China. I gotta get a better capture card, y'all, because this is not it. I don't know what's wrong with it. I think I dropped it, but I don't think it will be broken that easily. Which is crazy. Maybe it could be my camera, who knows? Ah, man, that sucks, man. Well, at least we got a backup. I think that's really what all that matters. I'm gonna try one more time before I get started. It's like it wants to work. I'm seeing it. It's crazy. Is it working? Hold on. I know this market like dropped 1 billion points. No, this market's been sideways. Yeah, we've been moving sideways. We're gonna see. I'm gonna let this market just sideways, whatever, right? Why futures and not options? Why futures? Ooh, options, bro, you gotta deal with the Greeks and stuff. You have way more work and input into options than you do in futures. Futures is like reading technicals. I'm sorry, I'm looking at this camera, not this camera. Futures is like looking at technicals and taking an entry off the technicals. With options, you're looking to buy or sell, put a call or put now and receive profits at a later date. With futures and Forex, you're looking to get in and get out based off of a setup that you've seen or you foreshadowed, like a probability. Like, hey, it might bounce right here, let me get a long. It might short right here, let me get a short, you know? So like that. That's why I do it futures. Futures is much easier. Tax breaks are much easier. Just everything all around is much more common sense compared to options. Options, bro, Greeks, right? You're waiting. You're doing things for the long call. You're doing things for your puts. You're waiting off. You're guessing the market, or you're predicting the market for a later date. So I mean, it's ain't gonna lie. Options is really lucrative. It's a lot more work, and that's one of the reasons why I don't trade it. I tried it before, and I didn't really find no interest in it. But yeah, good morning to everybody. Market sideways. I'm sorry, man. You see it behind it. You see this box around it. It's just, I don't know what's going on, y'all. I really don't know what's going on. I might have to get a new piece. I might have to work with this for the time being. Might just have to work with that for the time being. Oh, snap. All right. Let's get into it. I thought it would work, but I guess not. Man, that sucks. Like it was just working yesterday. I don't understand what happened now. What changed, right? What changed? Well, out of here. Let's get into it. Waste no more time. All right, so on the daily, we have the previous day high, previous day low. Previous day high, previous day low. Hold up, y'all. Give me a second. Nope. It doesn't want to work. Trash. All right, so previous day high, previous day low. We didn't get the break above, and we did pump up yesterday. Didn't get the break above, and I don't know. To me, this market looks a little rangy. I'm gonna be honest with you. It looks a little rangy. I'm not sure if we're gonna continue to go long or not, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna try to see if I can set some zones. I am a little late. Sorry about that. I'm a little late. We got a 4-hour fair value gap right here. Something I could put for the meantime. 4 hour FVG on NQ. Right. Also on ES2, I'm gonna put that as well. Looks like looking like we're in a range or something. So weird. So weird. Are futures more risky? Honestly, it depends on your risk management. Anything could be risky. I could play this with $1. I could just play this with dollar moves, and you know what I'm saying. Even with options or Forex, it could be dollar moves, but it's based on how much you put in. Really. All right, getting a push off that 4 hour. Drop down to a 15-minute. Ooh, I like that push. Might take a long. If we continue to respect this. We got 12 minutes on 30 minutes. 12 minutes on the. Oh, we got 12 minutes on all time frames. 12 minutes on all time frames. Can we see a continuation off this? Even though we didn't break the highs though. Yes, again above the previous day high. Ooh. Let me see if we got any news. That was the most important. What am I doing? I'm too busy thinking about everything else. News 8:45 PMI came out already. 9 o'clock new home sales come out for sure. 9 o'clock home sales in 10 minutes. Might have to sit on hands on that one. Might sit on hands on that one. We're getting a nice little push, nice little flush up to the tops. Trying to see, go down to a 1 hour. Nice bounce, go down to a 4 hour. Respecting this. I'm liking this. I really am liking this. Oh, I like this too. Oh, these longs look great. The question is, in 11 minutes, what will we do? Should I take a long? Should my buys be long on a day? Let me look at it. Let me get some more confirmation. Wait till that 5-minute prints, get more confirmation. Let me look at this real quick. Let me get more confirmation on this. Ooh, that looks actually pretty good. Yeah, these longs do look good. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Goodness. Yeah. All right. You know what? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. What a nice had a nice entry if we go down to a 5-minute on this. 5-minute prints in like 19 seconds. We're getting a break of structure above on ES. I like that. And all-time highs on ES. All-time highs on ES. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Continue long maybe. And we on uncharted waters on ES. 10 minutes left though for that print. So I gotta be very careful and very mindful of this. Are we gonna continue long or are we gonna continue this range bound? That's the question. Even though it looks like we are pushing though. Look, right? It looks like we are pushing. Can we get a continuation long? I like the wicks, but the wicks are forming downward, which is sketchy. See a lot of rejection. See the rejection? Wow, big rejection. 5 minutes just printed though. Big rejection. I don't know. We're gonna see. Let the market develop just a little bit more. Let the market develop just a little bit more. I'm gonna take my trade. Man. Trash. Trash, trash, trash. I can't believe it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Well, oh well. Get rid of it. You know, it is what it is. Just forget it. Forget it. All right, back to the futures. ES is right back below the previous day high. So I'm trying to see if we're going to either bounce in this range. I don't want to see us bounce in this range this whole time. Might be a see money, take money type of day. We got news in like 8 more minutes. I'm still trying to wait though, guys. I'm still trying to wait. Give me a second. Give me a second. Just looking at news. Oh, this is cool. All right, there we go. Let's see, we're still in this range, still bouncing around on this 1 hour fair value gap. See if we're gonna print and continue to go short. I don't know, we're gonna see. But it looks like we're so rangy though. I would like to see us go long and take out the highs. But if we continue to hold this range right here, I would like to see us continue to go long. I like this 1 hour right here. This is a nice move right here. Let me see. Could this possibly be inverse? I need to look at this market and this. Yeah, so rangy. So rangy. 5 more minutes until everything prints, y'all. Yeah, this could be rangy. It looks short though, I ain't gonna lie. It looks short. Alright, I'm gonna go down to a 15-minute. How's your morning going? What's up, R&H Vlogs? What's up? My morning is going good. Besides the camera, my main camera, it's not working. So I had to use my backup cam. So that kind of, it threw me off a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, it threw me off a little bit. But for the most part, I can't complain. We got a working webcam. We got everything we need, so I'm happy. I'm grateful for that. Extremely grateful for that. Thanks for asking. How's your day going? Rejection right here, maybe? Possible rejection, let me see. Possible rejection on a 5-minute right here. Let me look at a 1 hour. Possibly going for more imbalance below. Got a 30-minute right here below too, for sure. Did we even touching that? Let me see. Let me put this right here. It's a demand zone. I forgot to put my zones today, so I might be a little discombobulated. A little discombobulated. Okay. 4 hour. If we don't get the close, I would like to see us push and bounce somewhere. We look so rangy. It looks like a see money, take money type of day. That's what's getting me. We got news in 4 more minutes though. About 3 minutes and a half. Trying to make sure that I'm not missing out on any moves. Let's see. Just looking at different time frames. Ooh, this market do look short. We're gonna see. Still waiting. We still in the range. I don't want to take no trades just yet. Also got an inverse too as well on ES. That's amazing. My morning is going good. Thanks for asking. That's good. That's good. Still waiting on the trade, y'all. Still not taking no trades just yet. We are entering. We in that macro time, so we might see some shorts come in. We are in that macro time. 9:50 to 10:50, or 8:50 to 9:10. I mean, not either 8:50 to 9:10 or 9:50 to 10:10. Whatever time you in right now. Macro time. Uh, we didn't necessarily sweep the highs on NQ, which I'm kind of alarmed on that, but we did on ES. So I was thinking of a silver bullet maybe on ES. I was hoping that NQ would either sweep this high, but it didn't sweep automatic. It didn't sweep all the way. We just took some and then rejected. But I like how we're stacking across like this, like an indication that we might go short. You know what I'm saying? I like this. This looks really short to me. I like how we equal highs on the 4 hour, equal highs on the 1 hour. I like that. You know, it looks good. It looks good. We're about to print in 2 more minutes though. This look really, really good. Does this market want to continue short? I mean, does the market wants to retrace and go short, or are we going to get a rejection and go? I mean, are we going to get a retracement and go long? Because remember, the trend is still long. Why fight the trend, right? Why fight the trend? I do have a resistance. I do have resistance levels and a support level bouncing up and down. We just ping ponging. We already tapped into this high. We possibly can go short, but you know, it might be a short-term short and then a continuation long. We're gonna see. I'm going to daily again to see. We didn't get the break of the high on NQ. Let me look at ES and see. ES got the break of the high. It can continue to go high. You know what I'm saying? It can continue to go long. To me, ES still looks long, but we're literally sideways. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. 1 more minute left. 30 seconds left, y'all. Your news come out. We in this range. We in this like weird range. If we get it back, if we get above this, man, ooh, these longs can look good. If we can get above this resistance, we can see these longs maybe coming out, panning out. But the fact that I'm looking at this 4 hour right now, we got these equal highs, is giving me a scare. It's giving me kind of like a warning that, hey, we might short. So I'm just trying to be careful right here. I'm trying to be very careful right here. 30 minute, right? 15 minute right here. Just put in more zones. I might have to erase a lot of zones because this is gonna be too much. So on ES. Here we go. Everything just printed. Rakatan shorts. It looks short, but why are we stacking right here? While we're stacking right here, I don't like that. We're down to a 5 minute. Why are we building up? I don't like that. Look at the candles. Look how the candles are building up. We're in a weird range. If we break this, this could be a nice short. But I just don't like this range we in. You understand? Like I just don't like the range. Remember guys, we do got equal highs. We didn't break the highs on ES. I mean on NQ, look at that. Even though we had this high right here, we didn't break it. We came up and we didn't break. So we could have a retracement. The 4 hour, we are having equal highs right now. We are at the resistance level. So we at premium. I'm looking for a discount. I'm looking for a short to the discounts. Can we get a break? That's the question. Can we get a break? Or are we going to consolidate this whole range? See, everybody was thinking about short. Look how much they got absorbed. We got to see that. We're going to have to see if this is going to either break or we're going to hold this level and continue along. Because my biggest thing is, you're like, well, what's your bias? My bias is, I'm thinking consolidation. I'm thinking see money, take money. Because we didn't get a break above this high, right? We are tapping into this ceiling right now. Look, we have a ceiling that we're constantly tapping into. Look at the 4 hour. Right? On a daily, we didn't break. On a 4 hour, we didn't break. We didn't even take out the highs on a 4 hour. That's what's crazy. We didn't take out the highs. So can we go take out the highs now? Just started watching something now. Let's see how this goes. Just started watching something new. Let's see. This ain't looking short. Uh-oh. Is it breaking? You guys just look like it wants to reject. I might take a short, y'all. I'm gonna try for one micro short. I'm gonna put my stop above this high right here for 50 loss. I'm targeting this 30 minute. I'm gonna target this 30 minute. I'm gonna target this 30 minute right here. I might add into this if we continue to reject it though. But I want to see us print below this 4 hour on a 5 minute. Oh no, on a 15 minute. Like if we could print in the next 12 minutes underneath this. See how we came back up and got absorbed? I don't like that. I don't like that. But that's why I'm in one. I'm in one for a reason. Just in case, you know, it wanted to absorb like that. So I'm scaling in. I'm in one micro just to gauge the market. Just to gauge the market. I'm gonna look at this 15 minute one more time. If we get underneath this 15 minute, man, that's gonna be nice. Possibly go down for this low right here. I'm thinking short today. Because my bias on the day, my bias for the shorts is what? My bias for the shorts is, look, we at this high, unless we take out the high and reject. We at this high, but we didn't break the high. So I'm thinking a retracement back down. Since we didn't break on the daily, right? We didn't break. On the 4 hour, what we did was we created what? Equal highs, right? And we rejected. Even when we try to pump again on the green, we didn't pump. We just came back down and we closed back below. And we're going lower again. Jumping down to a 1 hour, maybe even a 15 minute. Look how we just stair stepping down. See? I like how we stair stepping down. So I might add into this if we respect this. I want to see my target to hit that 30 minute for a quick scalp of 30. But I don't want to see us range bound. So look how wicky we are. And the wicks right here. Look at these wicks. I love the wicks on this. Especially with this green candle right here on the 15 minute. This big old wick. Like an instant rejection. Like we try to go long and they just reject it hard. So that's like, that is one of my takes on the long. I mean on the shorts. Now if we don't break this, and if it takes us forever to break this, then you know we gotta go one way. Like we constantly just hold this range and hold it and continue to hold this range. Trying to see if we can get below this 4 hour. Especially on this 15 minute though, that's gonna be good. If we can get below this 15 minute fair value you got right here, that's gonna be good. I'm in one right now. Let me look at a 3 minute. If we can get below this fair value gap right here, I'm gonna change the color of it so y'all can see it better. I'm gonna change it to like this. I'm gonna change it to this with a dash so y'all can see it. This is the 15 minute. Y'all see? This 15 minute fair value gap. If we can get below this and print below this, I think we can continue going short. Just my opinion. Also, how we below the VWAP too as well. Let me look at. I need more confirmation though. Ooh, and we're below. Ooh, yo, this looks. Oh my goodness. Let me look at a 1 hour on this. Ooh. Sheesh. We took out this liquidity below. Are we gonna bounce right here? That's the question. Are we gonna bounce right here? Man. This is one of the trickiest things about watching. This is the trickiest thing about watching this market. It looks short, but at the same time, we still in this range. And that's the hard part. I might have to say, you know what? It's rangy. See money, take money, and get off for the day. How do I, you might say, well, you might ask the question, how do I know it looks rangy? One, I have one bias, short, because of the equal highs, right? And we at this premium. So I'm thinking that short, right? Like we might see a retracement back down to the shorts. All right. Also, two, we're breaking down. We're constantly stair stepping down. Like, look, 1, 2, 3. Like, if we can continue to go short, I can see us probably come back and feel more of this imbalance below and hit this 30 minute right here. Right? Hold on, guys. Give me a second. All right, guys. There we go. We are back. We are back. We are back. All right, so look, it's holding. It's holding. Wow. It's really holding. But at the same time, we're still in this range. That's why I'm not trying to take no trades right now. It's like a see money, take money type of day. Man, this thing is looking really, really wonky. Really wonky. I don't know, y'all. Looks really sideways. Looks really sideways. We could possibly bounce right here, but look, we didn't break this high, and we could possibly bounce at this block. So I'm just being very mindful on this. Look at the 4 hour. This can be a rangy area right here, guys. A real rangy area. Let me see this right here. This might be a nice little spot to look for a halfway point. Let me treat this differently. Ooh, what's a 15 minute? Yeah, yeah, real rangy. All right, let me get rid of this. Okay, bouncing once, bounce twice, bounce 3 times, 15 minute. We got a break, but it's not going short. All right, looking at a lower time frame. Are we trying to push? Can we hold this level right here? Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for subscribing. Also, guys, hold up, give me a second. Also, 80% off on Apex. Use that code, that guy at the bottom. Webcam's still not working, but oh well. Webcam's still not. Ooh, got the push down. It's getting heavy. It's getting real heavy, real heavy. Let me put a trailing drawdown. Trailing drawdown. All right, I might add more into this if we respect. Man, it's a big drop. Might add more into this if we get the close. I'm gonna add more. I just want to see this close. Ooh, okay, not too bad, not too shabby. Come on, give us a retracement back and reject. I respect that better. Give us like a retracement back up, respect it, pop, and I'm gonna add more. ES2 as well. ES got equal highs, but at the same time, it's holding that level, man. That's the catch. It's always the kicker. Like it's trying to hold. We underneath that previous day high on ES, which I like. But the one thing I don't like is how we're bouncing at the 4 hour. So this can be see money, take money, you know? We gotta be very careful, guys, because we don't want to add too much in these trades. Unless you want to, you know? Unless you want to. If you want to add like crazy, do your thing. But me, I'm gonna try to take it easy. Ooh, can we respect this level? 3 minutes left until this 15-minute prints. Unless we don't flush and do some crazy flush down. Some wild flush, right? All right. Let's see, 5 minutes. See, we got on 5 minute. Did tap this liquidity below. We already. It's still trying to push. Look at a 1 minute. See if we're rejecting. I'm liking this, y'all. I'm liking this. 2 minute. 2 minute. 3 minute. 5 minute. $15-minute prints in 3 minutes. So I'm still trying to wait to get more confirmation. Still trying to get more confirmation for this short. Come on, reject this area. Please reject this area. Okay, next rejection. I might add more. We're gonna see. I'm gonna add more. If we just, I wanted to get this 15-minute a chance. I want to get this 15-minute a chance to, like, you know, let me look at this, how many ticks? It's 140 ticks. Man, I really want to give this a chance. But then it's pushing so fast. Even though we rejected off this, I didn't want to see a rejection that fast off you know. I didn't want to see a rejection this quick. I really wanted to see us develop off of it instead of just volume. So, oh well. It is what it is. I'll bring my stop down a little bit lower though, just to save some profits. I mean, save some risk, preserve risk. Fair value gap up here. Dang, it's really gonna tap already. Amazing. But if you're in that trade, good job. If you're in that trade, good job. You know what? I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna let it run. I'm gonna let it run. Put my stop at break even. Stop at break even. I'm gonna hold this trade. See if we can go. See if we can go further down into this 1 hour. Yes, it's pushing down off that previous day high, which is really nice. I like that. See if we can get a continuation. I'm gonna look at a 4 hour to see if we have a continuation going short. This looks really good. Really, really good. Man, I would love to see us go all the way short. Right? Let me look at a 1 hour on ES. Oh, I'm on 1 hour. I'm tripping. A 4 hour, I mean. 4 hours. See. Man, I would love to see us come down to this range and take out these lows. Yo, this looks short. I'm gonna get rid of some of these lines because I think they're just in the way. We just bounced right here, but we're gonna still hold it and see. 15 minutes by the print. You know what? Put my stop back up. Put my stop back up. I just want to see what happens right here. I might add more of a reject. We only need the 4 hour. Let me look at a 15 minute right here. If we can hold this level, that'd be nice. I'm gonna give myself some room on this stop. I'm still liking these shorts though. Still liking these shorts though. We're gonna see. We couldn't break on the 4 hour on ES. We couldn't break on the 4 hour on NQ. Even though we had a long rally, I want to see us continue to take out some more lows. You know, I want to see us like at least take out some more lows. That'd be nice. Unless we don't bounce. Ooh, we might bounce. Hope we don't bounce to the moon. Are you doing all right, bro? Deontay, thanks for asking. I think I'm doing pretty good. Thanks for asking. How about you? You doing okay? Thanks for checking in. I'm in one micro right now, y'all. I gauged the market. It just took off. I was looking for more confirmation that we might short, but that volume just kicked in so fast. Like right now, look, see, like I want to see us at least respect more. Like I want to see more respect before I take more shorts. Me chilling and relaxing and lurking. What's up, Kelly? You said that like every day. But thanks for watching, Kelly. I also spread the word Monday through Friday, just to let y'all know. When I first get on the streams, I do spread the word. For all of you guys that are new in the chat, your birthday's in 5 more days? Hey, that's what's up. I'm gonna let you know in 5 more days, your birthday. I'm gonna let you know in 5 more days. I got you. On Tuesday the 29th, I got you. Tuesday the 29th, we're having a party on your birthday. You don't have to be sorry. I'm just joking. I know I've like you said a lot. We're just man. Couldn't give us a nice little pullback, just tap and take off. Oh well. Oh well. Man, could even come back to this 4 hour just a little bit and respect it. Trash, man. Trash. They're not giving us, man, they're not giving us no I want to see more technical. I don't want to see more like price action and volume. I want to see more technical so I can really trade this market. Nah, for real though, this market looks short. Ooh, big jump. This is tough. This is tough. All right, here we go. Here we go. Right, real big pop. Right, go back to these highs. Still holding. All right, let me see if I can add into this. Let me see. Does the market want to add or does it want to bounce back up to the longs? Let me go and see more confirmation that we are bouncing. We are hitting this lower deviation right here though. That's a oh no, this is a middle deviation. Ooh, big pump. Wow. Big pop. We did get the break though. We got the bounce though. Oh yeah, this market do look a little long. That could have been our move. Let me look at a lower time frame. I could have took that short, but man, I didn't want to risk it because of the volume. I like this wick, but I just didn't like the volume on it. For some reason, I really think it's gonna try to go up. Yeah. We're gonna see. Oh, watch Rambo Cito. Let me guess. You caught that move. Oh, PL. Good job, Rambo. Good job, Rambo. Join the Discord, y'all. In the Discord. I'm gonna put the link in the chat. Join the Discord. And post your executions. All right, so we got the Discord up. I have it up to the chat. I'm gonna go ahead and pin it for y'all real quick. Hold on. It's hard to pin on here on the phone. All right, there we go. Okay, let's look at this market. Looking tough. Man, this looks tough. This looks tough. I am not gonna lie to y'all. I might get out of this trade, honestly, if it doesn't work out. Look how we build above that 30. Oh man, equal lows. Ooh. This is a market, y'all. Still trying to hold this. I'm just trying to get more confirmation to get into the trade. This might be the confirmation right here to add more. I don't know. I'm just trying to be patient, y'all. Like I said, this could be a range bound market. You know, you may not see no big moves. You may not really see no good moves. I don't like that. I'm gonna take out. I'm out of this. I just don't like how it looks. I'm not feeling it. I don't like how rangy it looks on a 4 hour. I don't like how rangy it looks on a 1 hour. I don't like it. I'm sitting on hands, really. If you caught that short, good job. If it drops, then cool. I didn't like it. I don't like how it looks. Now it can't short. It does look short now. I just don't like the price. I don't like the price action. That's why I'm sitting on hands. I'm not convinced. Unless it drops crazy. I'm just not convinced. I'm not convinced. It looks so rangy, y'all. You know, every day don't have to be a base point hit type of day. You know, sometimes. Oh, you joined the Discord, Deontay? That's what's up. It's to take money from retail. Facts. Hey, that's true, Rambo. I ain't gonna lie, Rambo. I do, man. It's hard looking at all these markets while I'm on this stream, bro. You trust me, bro. I want to look at other markets, but it just be too much, bro. It's too much, bro. I get exhausted on here, but I like doing the streams. I get exhausted when they're trying to do too much. You was looking at PL? Was that PL you was on? But good job catching that trade. Yes, sir. Oh, no. Oh, I'm tripping. I thought, okay. Nice trade. Wow, that's a good one. Good job. Wow, that's nice. Simple. Good job, Rambo. Hey, yo. Good job, Rambo. Let me know if you catch some more trades, bro. Silver bullet buy model at 950. On platinum. He had a silver bullet buy model on 950 on platinum. Yeah, that's a nice one. Hold up, chicken. That's nice. Good job. Good job, Rambo. Rambo-cito. Oh, my computer be laggy, bro. Hurt to my switch. So I gotta be careful. Oh, man, I wish I could get this webcam started again. That sucks, bro. I've been trying to get this webcam to start for the longest, but oh well, I'm gonna turn it off. All right, let's see what we got right here. Two minutes left on the 15-minute. Rambo, what other instruments have you traded today? Have you took trades on besides platinum? I don't like this. I don't like the price action, y'all. I'm just not feeling it. Really not feeling this price action. They do look long though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. What's long? Yeah, not liking this price action. I'm gonna try one more. I'm gonna try a different market, but I'm not going to just keep on going to too many markets. I'm gonna try just see what they got going on. I'm gonna try copper. Look at copper. Ooh. And we're not in that macro time. Hey, Rambo, do you always trade macro times? Is that majority of most of your trades are taken in the macro times? Nice little push on copper. Dang, so extended. Try gold real quick. Wow, gold had a nice move. What in the world is the range gold is in? This looks long, but man, I don't like how he below that previous low. Can he bounce at this range right there? It's got that liquidity. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. All right, we back. We're back. Man, all these push. Long got the push. Man, no, that would have been a nice trade. That too. Oh man, 1 hour really be where it's at. I ain't gonna lie. That's a nice move. Yes, sir. That would have been a nice move to go long. So extended. I'm gonna wait and see if we can get a pullback. If we can get a pullback, that'd be nice. If we can get a pullback on that. I'm gonna wait on that. MNQ. Still in this range. That's why I didn't like the move. Knew it was gonna happen. Man. Sometimes that range is annoying. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That range get annoying. But yeah, good job. If you want to join the Discord is above. It's pinned to the chat. We post our executions and stuff. Today I didn't really see much. I seen a short, but I didn't like it. I didn't really like it. $17, $70. I didn't like the price action. I don't like how we in this range. I don't like it. So ES is the same way. Might see a continuation long. We're gonna see. But for the most part, it doesn't look pleasing to me right now. This long dude look good. We're in this range. We're between this fair value gap. If we can get back above it, that'd be great. But I don't want to get whipsawed back and forth between bouncing off some block or some breaker and bouncing between a fair value gap and a halfway point. We keep rejecting right here, but at the same time we're not forming down. Rejection, halfway rejection. Yeah. Yeah. Tough trade. It's a tough trade. Let's get back to something else. Y'all taking any trades? Let me know in the chat. If you take any trades, join the Discord and let me know. Big short on platinum came. Okay. Nice. Let me go to a daily and see if I can find anything. On the daily. Platinum is looking short. I got a daily fair value gap right here. Platinum is looking short in a way. I did not put that. Come on now. Never mind, I was saying short, it looks long. I ain't gonna lie, now it looks long. Looks like we could bounce right here. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. After bouncing right here, we're gonna see. Okay. I like it. Might be range bound full. I like it though. I like it though. I like it though. I like it. Still above this daily fair value gap on a 4 hour. Hey, this could be promising for a long. Let me try one. One platinum long. God, that rejection came in so fast. And we are building down though. Where's my stop at? Yo, it's laggy. Whoa. Yo, y'all see where I don't see my TP. Yo, I don't like that. What in the world? Heck nah. Balance is below. Nah, I don't like that, bro. That was weird. Heck nah. See if we can get a push. Got that running. Okay, let's look at NQ again. Oh, got that push up. Definitely might go for the longs. It's not a pair. It's in futures you don't really do pairs. I mean, you can use other markets as confluence, but it's not a pair like Forex where you compare, like when you pair US with EU, it's not a pair. But I use them as confluence with each other. ES is constant. ES is right back above the previous day high. ES is right back above the previous day high. That's nice. I can push. I should have waited on this move. It's looking short. Yeah, I'm making stopped out. Let me go back to NQ. Are we getting that push? We didn't break before the 4 hour. So rangy. Yeah, I'm not liking today's price action, y'all. I'm really not. Really not. I'll probably stop that on this play. Yeah. I'm gonna get out before it stops me out. Alright, I took out of that. I'm gonna just take out of that. That's gonna stop me out. Man, getting exhausted. But yeah, it's not a pair. I don't really trade I don't trade Forex. Yes, right back above. Alright, let me get off this. Sideways. Man, this market has really not given me the moves that I was looking for. The wicks. Yeah. It's okay. Man, today is just not my type of day. I don't like the volume, I don't like the ranges we in. I might just take whatever I got and call it a day. ES is right back above the previous day high. I'm gonna show you real quick so y'all can see what it looks like, what I'm talking about. Alright, ES is right back above. Looking really good. But in Q, the one I usually trade every day, it's in this range. No, power of 3. No break, of course. When you have no break, you have a push. Obviously. Let's see if we can respect. See if we can respect this. Macro time is approaching. Macro time is approaching. Are we going for the longs? But then again, nah, nah. Still looks a little rangy. Ooh, ooh. It's hard to say, y'all. It's hard to say. I thought this was a power of 3. I don't know why I thought this was it. Yeah, sorry if I'm not performing the best right now, but I'm just trying to be very wary of this market. Trying to be very wary. Let me look at platinum and see if it actually dropped or took off. Yeah, it dropped. Surprisingly enough. That was only a nice little push back up into this high. I think we're rejecting, so why would I even take this? Back. Look at gold. Micro gold. We're still waiting for some form of pullback to probably get into a possible long. Excuse me. Rambo, wow, Rambo said the market sucked today. Honestly, it's like I missed out on good trades. Yeah, and I'm honestly gonna be honest with you, bro. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna complain, say I'm exhausted, but man, just looking at these markets, knowing that they in this weird range, and it took out, and it's just, yeah. Today is one of those days that I had to just take my little 80 loss and call it a day. Preserve that cap. Good job on your trade, though. You did a great job. Hold on 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. Oh, let y'all know, I don't be eating in the morning. That's probably why I feel so exhausted. Man, ES is just popping, man. Oh my goodness. Bro, look at ES, bro. Look at ES. Hey, Rambo, do you trade mostly micros or minis? Wow. It looks long. Wow, that looks good. That looks good. That looks good. I just don't feel confident in my trading today. Took it out. Oh. That 30-minute was really the move. How crazy is that? Oh, got you. Man, that would have been a nice bounce on that 30-minute. I just didn't believe in it. I didn't believe in that 30-minute. I didn't believe that can be a possible bounce. You know? I thought we was gonna have like a whole reversal and flip, but then look how we bouncing at this, man. It looks so good. I would expect us to be more down here a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? I was expecting us to be just a down here just a little bit more, and not just take off like that. I tried to take a platinum trade, but I didn't believe in it. But that's what's up, Rambo. Yeah, I figured that was gonna drop. Go highs. We're playing against all around this. Yeah, that could have been a nice short. It just, man. That's what happens when the market just look at GC. Okay. What? Oh yeah? Oh, don't be sad. No. No. Today was a see money, take money type of day. I ain't gonna lie. It looks like it. I'm looking at gold right now. Rambo got me looking at gold. I mean, yeah, I see the bounce, but man, I love a better entry than this right here. I just don't want to get into an entry right here. I wouldn't do that. But no, Jay, don't be mad. Don't be sad. It's okay. You still a good. That thing at the end of the day, you're still a great trader. It just this market is new every day. This market will do anything to throw you off. Anything to throw you off. You're playing $1 trillion market. Oh, sorry, wrong camera. You're playing $1 trillion market. It's bound to try to knock us off our feet. It's bound to do that. Wait, what? You about to short 79 right now at this 1 hour? Why? Because it's macro time? Yeah, you really trust in macro time for real. Wow, amazing. You about to short this at 89? No, 79. Sorry, 79. And you got your stop at 81. Pretty much above. Something like that. And you targeting this low? You're right, feel better now. You're a great trader. I wouldn't even, man, this market is a trade. You're not supposed to be making money in this market. Not everybody's, some people are really good at their setups. They trade only their setups and they do good. This market is not based off luck. This market is not based off being a good trader. This market is based off probability. You have the probability of making a lot of money and setting yourself good, It's not meant for you to be like, oh yeah, I'm great. My setup works. It can work, but at the same time, you're not supposed to be right. It's supposed to just give you give you wins in your favor that that this setup might work every so often. You expect this setup to work majority of the time, and it's not supposed to work. It's just a probability that it could work because of your studies, your setups and your technicals. And majority of people that do make it well, they're in the right place at the right time. When they were either trading years ago when the market was literally just retracement green. Now the market is literally technicals. Is it respecting a fair value gap? Is it respecting an order block? Is it taking out liquidity and it's going reversal? It's like things like that. And then after you realizing that this market is much more tedious, now you put your execution in action. It all starts with your thinking, your action, then you get the results. That's it. Sometimes you can know that. You can know that it's your thinking, then it's your actions turn into results, but still your execution can be off of emotion. How do you stop the emotion? You're shorting this right now. Rambo is shorting this by the 80 to 79s right now. It happens. Some people, that's why a lot of people traders, you got traders that trade strictly price action. You got traders that trade strictly reversals and retracements, instant reversals, go heavy and then get out. You got some traders that have footprints where they gotta see what the market is telling them based off the sellers and the buyers, the bid and the ask, how many cons are selling at that price point, how much volume. They need that footprint to give them way more confirmation. And the more confirmation, the better. Nice sell off, Rambo. Nice sell off, Rambo. Hey, I like this. Hey, I'm gonna wait 3 minutes on this 1 hour and see if we can get a nice. I'm gonna wait on that. Man, Rambo is good at taking that macro time trade and just taking it and putting his stop and then respecting his stop. This is probably why Rambo does a lot of winning. I'm so used to waiting for the time to close out and then I wait for a respect. I like to wait for more confirmation because I feel like my way of trading is kind of hard just jumping in and jumping out. Rambo is good at it. Rambo trade based off VWAP. Not necessarily. It could be based off VWAP, but he could tell it best. That's a good trade, dog. He's probably going for these lows. Rambo, you got somebody talking to you. He probably texting it right now. Nice short though. Good short. I just can't take that. Even though it looks good in macro time, I just can't take that. I just couldn't take that. I just don't see I didn't see my strategy today. That's why I didn't take no trades. I didn't see my strategy in the way I liked it. You know, I saw my strategy play out, but the thing is also he just posted in the Discord. I saw my strategy play out, but the catch was I just didn't like the volume that came with it. It moved way too fast on me. Damn, Rambo. Boy said YouTube sales on is crazy work. Ooh, on the 1 minute? I like how you saw that. Oh, gold is really like this. You have to really look at it more closely. Nice rejection, price points on. Oh, I like this. I like this right here. Hey, thanks for the studies. I like that. I like that. I like how we in. Ooh, I like this. Good job, Rambo. You're studying hard, bro. You're really looking at this market hard. But reverse so fast though. I hope you took out some partials, bro. Market could be annoying, I swear. Crazy. See, Rambo's good at that. Rambo's really good at catching the next liquidity point where it goes in reverse. It takes out one liquidity and goes for another. He's good at that, and he also uses probably VWAP, probably fair value gaps to help him get more confirmation to take a short. He uses a lot of breakers, a lot of order blocks. Pretty similar in my way, but our execution is different. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think we trade the same. He just his execution is a lot more. His execution is a lot more intuitive than mine. Like he sees it and he instantly gets into it with no regret. Me, I would second guess it instantly. So good job, Rambo. He posted it on the Discord. No, I use the time, huh? Wait, what are you talking about? Oh, he took out this low. Good job, Rambo. Couldn't do it, y'all. My execution will be just all over the place. It's not that I'm scared. It's just I'm so used to just having more confirmation. Ooh, big bounce right here. Man, Rambo, you love trading minis, bro. I couldn't do it, but I see you're rewarded much better off of it, though. Good job, Rambo. Rambocito. Of course, it's textbook. I overthought it too much. Oh, man. Let's see if I can catch the short. If it wants to go short, it might just continue to go long. ES is pushing hard, though. Bro, this is a beautiful trade. This is a beautiful trade, y'all. Oh my goodness, how did I miss this? Wow, this is a beautiful trade. Wow, I missed that trade. That was a beautiful trade. We're gonna see though. Big rejection wick right here though. If we could check out these highs and reject again, I'm going into a short off this resistance. If I'm ever wrong, the losses are small. Dang, really? Because when you go into with that type of wait, hold up, really? What? 600. How often what's your risk to reward? Like what usually, like give me a number on how much your risk is. Like if is it 300, 400? Jets are flying today. 300, 400, 500. What's your risk? And how long are you holding your trades? Because the trades you take, they just so quick. Are we pushing higher? I want to see if we can reject this. Possibly reject this and go short again. I like how we printed below this block right here, though. I want to see. That'd be nice, man. ES taking off, though. ES is above the previous day high, though, but they don't have to be in confluence. This thing looks long. Jeez. Watch the chart on the 3-minute. Back the trade I just took. Back test. Watch the chart on the 3-minute on gold. Watch the chart on a 3-minute. Clean. Watch the chart on the 3-minute. Back test the trade I just took. Nice. And halfway point. When it's 5-minute. Yeah, that was a clean setup. So easily overlooked. Good job, Rambo. Also, bro, good job. Good job. Also on a 130-minute. Look at this 30-minute. Look how we. And you know what's crazy? That's a good play though. That's a good trade. Good job, Rambo. That's a good trade. Cause right here, this thing might continue to go short. You think about holding it short, Rambo? Are you still looking? I'm looking at the wrong spot. You're looking at the wrong spot. Wait, how? You told me to be the back test on the 3-minute. You told me to back test. Oh, you talking about back test right here? Back test right here? Actually within the actual range of the market? Look starting at 1,005. 1,050? 1,050? What? Look starting at 1,050? What? Bro. 1,050. Oh, 1050. Macro time, 1050. My bad, bro. My bad. I take it back. Hey, you ain't gotta say nothing. I got it now. My bad. 1050. It's my fault. I should have just used my brain. You like I should see always say something about the 3-minute. You really like the 3-minute a lot. I've noticed 3-minute is your thing, bro. Wow, I like how we reject the cross and also underneath this 1 hour though. That's really nice, bro. Good job. Could even close above. This is a nice candle to get in short, especially right here. And put your stop below. Zoom out a little bit. You're too close. What do you mean? What am I looking for, man? This is tough. If this is 1050 right here, you're not talking about 950, right? Wait, yeah, 1050 right here, 1050, right? On the 3-minute, right? You said 1050, and I'm actually on New York time, so I can prove it to you. New York. I'm in New York, Mom. Look in the 3-minute, then 2-minute, and 1 minute, starting from 1050. Look for the fair value gap. I see what you're saying. This is, hey, even though, wait, hold up. Wait a minute. Wow. Wow. Never really used that. Wow. Is that what you talking? Oh, even this, bro. Oh my goodness. How am I looking too close? I'm confused. What you mean? Like, I'm confused. What? Wait, so am I, bro, if I draw a circle around what you're talking about, right? Is it in this, right? There's nothing else in here that would be in a time frame of gold, right? There will be nothing else because this would not be nothing, you know what I'm saying? So what am I, how am I not zooming out? I'm confused on what you're talking about. This is it, right? Oh, hold on. Zoom out a little bit. What am I looking for? Are you looking for a fair value gap to go to? What are we talking about? I'm confused, bro. I am confused. It's hard. I ain't gonna lie. Texting is like hardest, probably the hardest thing to understand. If we was on a phone call, bro, if I could just call you right now. You want to see a hour worth of candles from 1050? You want to see an hour worth of candles from 1050? Sure, go ahead. Come on, stop top on it. I want to come on, stop tight on this. See if we can respect this. Sure, sure. You want to see an hour worth of candles from 1050? Do I want to see an hour worth of candles? What do you mean? Rambo, what language do you speak? I'm confused, bro. I told you I'm a little wonky. Are you gonna send it on the Discord? Of course, we want to take out that higher. You want? Oh, I thought you had text something. Yeah. Oh, I did take out that target. Oh, wow. Macro time for the longs. Silver bullet time. Take a look. Yeah. Oh snap! Oh, there you go. Oh wow! You're right. Man, boy, you be on it. Goodness, you really use them as confluence too. Wow, good job. Good job, man. Oh wow! I was looking for this short too. Hold up. Good job, Rambo. They definitely do. Good job, Rambo. I seen him. You done trading for the day, Rambo? Are you done trading for the day? $23,381 short at the stop at the high. And I was thinking, I was just trying to see if we're gonna respect this this fair value gap or not. I'm liking it though. I'm liking how we're not breaking. I like this. I like this. It looks good. Just trying to make sure that you going in micros or minis? I'm in two right now. Put my stuff at the high. Hopefully, don't keep on pushing and continue to take out the high, then reject. That's gonna be annoying. Yeah, of course the market still wants to pump. This might be a long. We're gonna see. Does it want to take out these highs? Yeah, this might be a long, bro. We gotta be careful right here. This might be a long. Might have to be careful right here. Why you put the, why you, bing bong, bing bong. I'm gonna take out one. I'll take out one. Hey, this thing looks like it wants to break, bro. If it breaks, man, that's gonna be a big, huge pop. Trading can be exhausting. I don't like MQ. Bro. You know this. You know it wants to take out them highs. You know it do, bro. Like, you ain't no denying it. Let me get rid of this goofy thing. Goodness, bro. Goodness, bro. Let me put my stop a little higher. Let's put it right here. Nah. Let's keep it tight. Let's keep it tight. Just in case it wants to pop up and it hits me more, you know, I don't want to lose $20 more. Yeah, it's about to go. I'm getting out. It's about to go. I'm getting out of that. Get rid of this. Get rid of that. That's just nonsense. 30 more minutes on that 1 hour. Can we take out these highs? Looks like it though. Yes, it's on that. Can we get that 4 hour? I see why you trade a lot. Want to know why it failed? All right, tell me why it failed. Oh, it gotta be macro time, bro. What makes you think that it always gotta be macro time? I know actually, and I know, bro. I even got all the screenshots on macro time. What makes you think you think macro time is gonna be 100% the short? We're gonna see. Why can't it be right now? You know? Why can't it be right now? Hey, I used to question macro. I know macro works, but I used to question it because the market movers could really just move the market if they wanted to. They really could just reject right here if they wanted to. Look at that big rejection, bro. We're gonna see. Still got a couple more minutes left, though. What macro time is crazy. Hey, yo, it ain't working because it ain't that time. Could be right though. Big drop just for it to pop back up. Buyers getting absorbed. I mean, sellers getting absorbed fast. Let me get rid of this. Big rejection. 2 minute. 3 minute. Whew. Sideways. Sideways. Huh? Stopped us out? I mean, yeah, I don't. We'll see. We'll see macro time. We're gonna see. I'm still on here. Bro. I'm enjoying it. I ain't gonna lie. I enjoying it. Even though we down 148, I'm enjoying this time, man. It is what it is. I'm enjoying it. Just gonna have to accept it for what it is. I should have smooth. Stop. I mean, I don't know, bro. It don't have to be. I don't know. It is what it is. I just knew it was gonna be rangy. You see money, take money. It looks rangy. Look at this, bouncing around off of. Like, it's just a lot of bounce. Just look long. ES is above the previous day high though. But can this short? It look like it can get heavy and short. But I just want to make sure that this is what it wants to do. Ooh, hold up, wait a minute. Are we dropping? Yo, are we dropping? 5 minutes. We couldn't even take out the highs to get. I can see if we took out this high right here on a high time frame, print it on a high time frame, and just reject it. Bro, I don't want to see this thing just tank because it's bouncing off of a resistance, bro. That's gonna be highly annoying. This can't be the move, bro. This can't be the move, bro. This can't be the move, bro. You can't tell me this gonna be the move, bro. I waited patiently for this market, bro. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. What's up, Admire? Hello. 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 Seconds left on that 15 minute. Seconds left on that 15 minute. Where we going? Where we going? Might go long, man. Be honest with you, I might take this long. This 1 hour trash. Let me see. Straight trash. We're gonna see. We're between ranges. We're between a 4 hour and a 1 hour. Literally. But it looks more stronger. Oh, so tricky. And then I know once they move, once the market drop or once the market get out this range, it's just. Nas didn't do me good today. I only made $20. It didn't do you good, but you made $20? Hey, I'll take that 20 for this 148. Oh, sorry, I look at the wrong camera. I'll take the 20 for the 148 any day. I would take it any day. Any day. I trade that 20 right now. Be nice. I'm lagging? I'm lagging? No, no laggies. Not Rambo, don't tell me you in that short, bro. Don't tell me you in that short, bro. I'm gonna be upset, bro. Be upset, bro, if you in that short, bro. Man, this market is so bananas. I don't like you right now. He said, of course I'm in that short. Why wouldn't I be? That'd be dumb. I need that close. Come on, give me that close. So hard to choose what to do. I like it though. I like the rejection though. I like it. I like how we try to go green again, and then Red, but I don't like how we stacking. This might be your trade, bro. That's why I said if I'm wrong, losers are small. What? 300? What's your loss? What's your loss setup and how many contracts? Unless you got a huge account, then I can't talk because your account might be crazy. Your account might be crazy compared to mine. Look at that drop. They are stalling, bro. I can't stand they do that, bro. They know people want this move, bro. They know people want this move. That's what's crazy. We couldn't break. Couldn't break. 1.5 micros. I feel that. Gotta stop. Oh, you cut the tight. Tight stop. Myers say, Rambo, hop on live and teach. Yes, sir. You need to hop on it, Rambo. We need you, my boy. We need you on here badly. We need your expertise. Rambo. We need you, Rambo Cito. You the one, Rambo. Rambo, we need you. Rambo. We need your expertise. This short looks good, but hey, I'm not taking it because I ain't got no break. Dang, it's going to drop and drop. Man, this market, bro. I don't like the price action. I mean, I don't like the price action, but that's garbage. That's garbage, bro. That's garbage. That's garbo. That boy taking repeatable scalps. Get rid of this thing. What is this? Ew. He said repeatable scalps. Alright, I'm trying to short. Put my stop with 1 micro. I'm putting my stop all the way down here. I want to see us come down to this fair that you got. I am not joking. I'm tired of waiting, bro. Either you gonna break or you gonna break. Which is it, bro? You're not about to play around, bro. No break. That's what makes it so tough. Why am I lagging? Oh, bro, you gotta be joking. They're not trying to give up the short. So far, you got some skills, man. And he got skills. He got scalping skills. I'm just joking. Nah, he's good. He's good. Give us that short, bro. Come on, give us that drop, bro. You know you want to. Stop playing with us. Give us the drop. That we all deserve. Give us a drop. The deserving drop, you know. Man, I never seen a market just did not want to give us a move, bro. Yeah, this is NQ for y'all. This is NQ. The one and only. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm not getting faked out. I need, you know what? You know what? Let me add some more confirmation on here. Let's see. The one and only NQ. We're in a tight range. Nice. Please stop, bro. Let's see. You know what? I'm about to get out of this. I'm getting out of this trade, Rambo. I'm getting out of this trade, Rambo. I'm not about to trade this, bro. You can catch that scalp. I'm not catching that, bro. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm done with it. It just made my nerves bad, bro. You know what? Since I don't want to give it up, I'm about to do some more studying. Since he doesn't want to give it up, I'll look for some more trades. I'm not feeling that short, bro. That is not it. Nah, man. Weekly candle, let me look at it. Weekly, let me see. The time on that weekly, what, right here? Which one? This one, the previous week, or this week we got on right now? Because when we bounced like that, I had called it out on stream. That's the trade we actually caught. Facts. Back test tonight. This market don't want to give us what we want. We're gonna take it. Hey, I'm feeling bullish, bro. I don't know why, but this market got me feeling bullish. Bullish. Come on, bro. Come on. It doesn't want to give us the move, which I understand. It's just I don't like the price action to this. I'm still thinking long. That's the catch. Hey, bro, I might take a long, bro. I think they wants to break that that high. See if we can get a nice little pullback. If not, no pullback, then I might just take this long, bro. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling the play around. Last trade of the day. Last trade of the day. Stop below the low right here for 26. I'm gonna put my stop. My TP. My TP, I'm going for this. I'm going for this high. I'm going for this high. I'm going for this high. And it might short, you know what? It might short on me, you know? Just saying, y'all. It might short on me. I'm going for this high. I'm sorry, Rambo, but I'm fading you, bro. I'm fading you, bro. I'm fading you, bro. Nah, bro. That's true. That's true. 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. on indices. You ain't lying about that. But then again, bro, why did it take it so long? Just take off. Where'd the volume go? I don't know if you're still in this trade though. I'm still trying to go long though. I probably should have waited till we closed on the 30-minute. Well, I like it, man. It still looks fresh. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's too much, bro. It's too much. It's way too much. This is like Wick City. Now you might be right, bro. I'm gonna give it one more chance. I don't want to see us print on this. Yeah, I might get out of this too. Watch we got a print right here. Watch we got a bounce right here, bro. I'm gonna be so annoyed. Hold this level. I don't want to see us bounce right here. I mean, he could, you know. I'll be right back. Be right back. I gotta go over. I'll be right back, y'all. Be right back. Be right back. Be right back. All right. What is this, bro? What is this market? Yeah. Heck nah, bro. What kind of volume was that? I'm out of this. I'm out of this. I was trying to get out with a join the ask, but yeah. I am just faking us out. Oh my goodness, bro. Cut it out. Cut it out. Cut it out, bro. Cut it out, bro. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Trading at Pacific times. I like how this 15-minute is not, you know what I'm saying? I like how it's respecting this. But then again, where's the volume? Constantly getting faked out. Constantly getting into a long. Well, what helped me a lot is trading at a specific time. Yeah. Yeah. Any other trader made money today, man? Like anybody else really made money on their streams? Gotta preserve that cap. This is not a 1 hour for sure. Possible short again? Rambo? Possible short? What you thinking, Rambo? Or you think we're gonna continue to push on? That dude still look long though. I should have held that long. It was so gorgeous. It was right here. Oh man, I should have held that long. It's okay though. Can't always win every day, huh? Hey, you know how when I won that when I won that 100K combine with Top Step? How I went on there and I was explaining how I found the business card. ICT, bro. Go to ICT. Just opinion. ICT, TikTok, YouTube, and just type up basics of trading. Basic trading strategies. Basic trading. Starting up in trading. Beginner's trader. You're gonna learn just like how we learn. Wow, bro. This was the move. Wow, bro. That was the move. That was the move. That was the move. And I missed it. And I missed it. It was the move. And I missed it. And I missed it. Wow, that was the move. That was the move, y'all. Wow. Oh man, I had it and I just missed it. Five more minutes left until the candles print. 5 more minutes left. And I might call it a day. Might call it a day. Big rejection. Wait, what? No way. Yeah, you caught it up here, and then you. Oh, you scalping, bro. I can't scalp, bro. You scalping, bro. I can't do it, bro. I can't do it, bro. I can't do it. You're good at that scalp, bro. I can't, bro. That's just not. I can't. Good job though, Rambo. In the Discord, join the Discord. That's how the market works. I know, bro, but it's just, oh my goodness, bro. You're good at that. I don't find myself. I find like, I don't know what it is, bro. I just can't do it, bro. I think I've been scarred too much. Like if you came from like the stuff I've been through, bro, you'd be like, I can't just be taking that kind of crazy risk. Can't. Like I see it wants to do it, but I just don't want to do it. There was a point in time when I was scalping and I was doing really good at it, and then I just, for some reason, I couldn't find my edge in it. I see what you saw, and I just couldn't, bro. I couldn't do it. I've seen it, and I couldn't put. I was even saying it on the stream, like I just couldn't pull that trigger. I just can't do it. It hurts. Cause I wanted that trade so bad. I waited at a nice discount to take the trade, and just for it to take off, nah, bro. But you're good at that. I gotta give it to you. You're good at that. That's your skill. Now maybe one day I'll probably get really good at it, but for the most part, I don't know. Would it happen anytime soon? I don't know. I don't know. 1 minute left. See if we can hold this. You pay attention well in this market, by the way. You be paying attention. And you're good at looking at lower time frames too. He said, try it. I know, and I can't get in small either. If I'm gonna scalp, I gotta go in at least two minis or 10 micros. We're gonna see. I know we in macro time, but we're gonna see though. I gotta be careful, bro. I believe in you. We also got a couple more minutes left on 15 minutes. A couple more seconds left. A couple more seconds left on the 30 minute, the 15 minute, the 1 hour. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is about to be interesting. This is about to be interesting. Are we rejecting this? Is this a legit rejection? Are you shorting this? No way. No way you got into that short that fast. You're quick. Oh my goodness, bro. You're quick. You're quick. I can't do that, bro. I can't do that, bro. You're quick. You're quick. If we can get a retracement back up into this, I would definitely try to go for a short. If we can get a retracement back up to it. Unless it's going to just tank on us and just take off, bro. You're fast. I can't do that, bro. I see what you're seeing. I seen how I couldn't, bro. I didn't believe in it. I didn't believe in it. When it sells off in a heartbeat. Your trade hit. You made 1100, bro. You made 1740. You really went 90 micros on that trade. It's crazy. Wow, big dumpy. I couldn't catch it, bro. You're fast. That's your game, bro. Rambo, who you learn from? That hard. Hey, everybody texting. That's crazy. Hulk Hogan died. What? What? That's crazy. No way. ICT. He caught that quick. Man, I'm exhausted. I ain't gonna lie. Good job. Good job. I said ICT. Good job, ICT. Good job. Yeah, Rambo, you be doing it, bro. Good job, bro. I was too late, bro. I was too slow. I was in slow motion. I was in fat boy mode. I was in slow motion. Too slow. Crazy is a lot of people don't trade like you do. I've watched a lot of streamers, and you're trading. A lot of people don't. You really don't. If you stream that, bro. Oh my goodness. You really outline that 1 minute. Your 1 minute and your 3 minutes like one of your best. That was beautiful, man. How did I miss that? And I have it set up. I'm just getting exhausted from trading. Good job, bro. Catching those good moves. In the Discord, he showed it. That sell-off was crazy. That's some good advice. That's good advice. That's true. Rambo over here, bro. You should, bro. Why you never really did a stream? To be honest with you, if you did try to stream, it can get exhausting. I'm not even lying to you. But have you ever thought about streaming? Yes, sir. Yes, it was. Good job, Rambo. Good job, bro. Always on fire. Always proving himself worthy. This dude deserves a cookie every single day. Yeah. And I was so late catching it. You know what's so crazy? Rewind it back when I said, if it takes out this high, I should go short, and I just literally stumbled on that trade. And then I played, and look at this. Look how on a fair value gap right here, when I had it right here, look how I respected. That would have been an entry. I'm probably just too exhausted, man. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. Yes, Meyer, join the Discord. He will show the videos. He will show the proof, the execution. He's that guy. You should be calling him that guy, and one day you're gonna be that girl. I'm gonna have to make a whole thing about that. That girl and that guy. Seriously. He called it out. We didn't break. Rejection was coming. Man, it was perfect. I can't believe I missed it, which is very crazy. Really missed that move. What's up, Warren? Boy, what? Got the whole, man, what? Man, but good work though. Remember, you can have the whole setup. I have the whole setup, right? Got the whole thing. What's the most important? What Rambo is doing right now compared to what I'm doing, he's executing. I'm not executing. You know, I can come up with all kind of excuses. He's executing his trade. I can have all of this setup. Like, it's sitting here. It's literally sitting here. All of the stuff is sitting here. As soon as he seen the execution, the move, the macro time, he lined it all up, and guess what he did? He took his trade. He did not hesitate. I hesitated. My mind was literally in rainbow world. Literally, my mind was in rainbow world. This is what happens when it comes to execution. You can have a whole setup, but with no execution, there is no trade. He was literally Rambo Cito, and I was literally in rainbow world. Missing the trade. In rainbow world, missing the trade. Good job, Rambo. That's how you do it. Shorts still look good though. Shorts still look good though. Bro, jets are flying crazy above our heads. Really distracting. I traded platinum, gold, and MNQ today. Good job. Good job. Giving him a hands up to get this man a trophy. Get this guy a trophy. He's excellent in the markets, y'all. Excellent. How did I miss that trade? It was literally right there. And we took out the highs. It literally was screaming at me. Screaming at me, and I missed it. Well, happens, you know. $11.52, starting off at $11.52, and you got that confirmation on that fair value gap. Instant rejection, instant drop. Yeah. Thanks, Rambo. Thanks for letting me know that I missed the trade, man. Appreciate it. But good job. In all seriousness, good job. That is called skills. Skills. That's true. And also, when I get up, I don't know excuse. I got children, so I gotta keep on attending to them too. 11:50 to 12:10 macro time. That's true. Like Rambo said, 11:50 to 12:10, 10:50 to 11:10, 9:50 to 10:10. What's up, bro? Joining the Discord. Rambo, man. Shout out, man. Thanks for even joining, bro. Cause you really got good sauce, bro. You really be on it. You be on it. Gotta give it to you. Yes, you're right. Hey, keep on joining, Rambo. You're gonna have me trading like you one day, bro. Keep trading. Oh, shoot. Shorts coming in. Shorts coming in. And I missed it by just looking at my leg. What am I doing? I was hoping a TP right here at this fair value gap, though. See what happens right here. Yeah, I'm glad I came across your vids too. Hey man, you don't catch a lot of traders really like explaining themselves. They just do their thing and that's it. They just do their thing and that's it. But Rambo keeps it simple. I like how simple he keeps it. I think my biggest problem is I looked at too many videos all around the world and was like, yeah, I need to do that. Yeah, after this big move, you might see a little consolidation if we don't tap back. We're getting underneath that previous day low. I mean that fair value you got. See, I mean not that fair value, you got that VWAP. See what happens right here. My kids are going crazy back there. 15-minute prints in 2 minutes. Then we're about to get pushed down. Hey, thanks, Admire. Hey, I love spreading the word. I may not be the best trader, but I love spreading that word. I really do. I'm gonna spread it right now since we got time, might as well. Right? Jesus spoke to the people once more and said, He is the light of the world. This is John chapter 8, verse 12. He is the light of the world, the light of the world. If you follow him, you won't have to walk in darkness because you will have the light that leads you to life. If you allow Jesus to guide your life, he will lead you to life and you won't have to walk in the darkness alone. Remember that. He is the bread of life. Right? Getting a nice little push. People thought. I thought that show was gonna come in, but hey, they can still come back in. We just gotta wait for a probably retracement. We're gonna see. We got 55 seconds on that 15-minute though. Nice trade. It's expanding. Don't trade until the next macro. Hey, I like how you talking. Hey, I'll be right back. Keep speaking your stuff, Rambo. I'm about to go I gotta use the restroom, bro. All right, we back. Wow, ES really got below the previous day high. Hey, yo, this is looking nasty. 1 hour. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Yeah, but we in the range. Oh man, I had the right idea, but I didn't take my trade. Rambo! Why you didn't say nothing, bro? You should have said now, that guy now. Right now. I can believe it. But you learned a decent amount, bro. You learned a good enough. We could probably gonna be learning this market to the day we pass, bro. For real. Oh, damn. And don't tell me you caught a long. Like, oh, I caught a long off this. Could have been a long off this though, for sure. Nice little bounce. Hey, you know what's crazy? You're so right about that. Every time when I was watching ICT, it was always that was the time frame to execute one of the best trades. I'm 3 for 3 today. 3 windows for trades. Hey, that's what's up. And I'm 0 and 2, something like that. I know, yeah, absolutely, for sure. And then we couldn't even break none of these highs. And especially when we came down as resistance, it just kept resisting right here. So it was just more confirmation that we was gonna go down, and it just tagged. It really tagged down. That had to be what? Oh, that wasn't too bad. That was like 100 points. That's not a lot of. That's not a lot of ticks. But yeah, all time. That's why the macro is so powerful. One of ICT's most favorite time frames, especially when you're line of favorite you got liquidity. Hey, thanks for bringing it back to my attention to macro timing, because I've really put macro to the side for a long time. I haven't really put it in one of my toolbox. 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes to macro time. 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes. Good job, Rambo. Stand on top of it in this crazy chop fest of a market. If we print in the next 40 minutes, you think we're gonna take out those highs? Yeah, that's good stuff. Is when it takes out liquidity, does it have to take out? Does it have to sweep it fully, or it doesn't have to sweep fully in order for it to go in that direction? Like, does it have to sweep the liquidity, or it can just equal highs and then reject, or go in the opposite way? Gotta touch the wick. It don't have to take out the full wick. It gotta touch the wick. Okay. Gotta touch the wick. Okay. Yeah, definitely. We can definitely do some back testing tonight. Kind of like get our charts together, so we can really put this together. Take some good trades. Market still looks short though. Better close on a 30-minute, 1 minute. 3 minutes. Then 1 hour, 30 minutes, 4 hour. This market. Yeah. You know what's crazy? I never did had a good understanding on fair value gap when a wick was like this. I never did. I understand when ICT would talk like this, when he would say something like this is a fair value gap, or it's a good area of entrance right here, something like that, right? But when it comes to something like this, I never was into something like this. Like I never really saw it that way. I'm coming. Give me a second. The 4-hour wick is all fair value candles on the lower time frame. Ooh, I like how you said that. The 4-hour wick is all fair value candles on a lower time frame. You know what's crazy? I remember him saying that. That's crazy. I forgot about that. Yeah. That whole area. 15-second chart? Huh? Wait, explain to me what you just said. Oh snap, we just broke down. Big drop. It ticks. That whole area of OS. Wait, what is OS? What is OS? I probably know what it means. I just probably didn't know what the abbreviation is. Look at it on a 15-second. Those wick areas you don't understand. 15-second? Alright. So if I back test a little bit, right? You want me to back test a little bit and look up at these wicks? Ooh. Yes, sir. Wow, that's way more detail. Double rejection. After we try to take it out again, we still reject. Still reject. Wow, that's clean. Now, I know the wick has always been a fair value gap, but you're right. I never really paid attention. You know what's crazy? I've always go down to a 30-second. Never really tried a 15-second much. I have 5, 15, and 30-second up. I don't know if y'all can see it. I have it up above, but I just never really used them much. But I like how you correlated the 4-hour with the 15 seconds for like big gap openings. I like that. And applying it with macro times, that's just golden. Man. Does this market still look long to you? Do you think we're gonna take out liquidity below, or we're gonna continue to go out for the highs and take it out on macro time? You think we're going for the longs? You think we might bounce back up, or you think we're going short? I'm still contemplating on this market going. I'm still contemplating on this market going long, but I don't think the long's probably ready right now. Ew. Y'all see that? What in the world? That thing was just up. That's gross. That's gross. That's gross. It's getting volatile. We have any news? No. What do I see? I'm thinking that we at this halfway point we might bounce and go long. I was thinking that we might come out and still continue to take out this liquidity above since we didn't even sweep it. I seen that we took it out below right here, but we didn't take it out above right here at all. We got so much that just lies above. So I'm thinking long. If you tell me anything otherwise, then I'm not going long. Even though we resisted right here, for some reason I'm still seeing long. What do you see, Rambo Cito? I'm gonna add into this. Okay. Wow, that took so long to add me in. I literally added and it literally didn't even put me in. Wow. Wow. Bro, that's it. We'll wait to the break. Wow. Did we get the break on that? Yeah. I wanted the spot, bro. I did a bid just for the getting the spot. Why would you take off? You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Can I get a pullback? Maybe give me a nice discount. What do you see, Rambo? Wow. Couldn't even get to my trade. It's crazy. You still waiting on macro time? In 10 more minutes, maybe wait on macro time, and then we might continue to go long. I seen that we flush on a 1 hour. I seen how we rejected, right? That was your scalp. Yeah, but with the stream, it's like when my entry are so slow, and I don't like buying market. I don't ever buy market unless you buy market. I always do bid and ask. I never buy the market. Never, never, ever, 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 ever. And I like to hold my trades, man. I like to hold my trades. I like to be a trade holder. But you're gonna teach me. You're gonna show me how to just scalp this market. I didn't know you buy market. Wow, I thought you did bid and ask. I thought I was like, oh, everybody does. You get straight into it. Yeah, I missed the trade, bro. I had it. It just amazing how fast it takes off without giving you an entry. But we can wait though. We'll just wait till macro, see if it'll give us a nicer, cleaner move. If we can get some type of rejection or fullback, a pullback, some type of retracement back down, respect again, and I get in long again. Why? Because I'm trading in fair value. I'm not looking to snipe. I want participation in the expansion move. Ooh, yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true too. Yeah, you just gave me a good reason. You're just looking for that quick expansion move, and I like how you said that. That's actually a good reason why I should took that scalp with the minis or the micros I was gonna take. That's a good reason. Bro said the Delta Force, bro. Them boys are off the grid, literally. Delta Force. What you know about them Delta Forces and Rangers, boy? So yeah, stop loss at the low. You're right, man. Hey, you know, it makes sense. That makes a lot of sense, especially being in that fair value. You're right. You're so right. I'm looking for that expansion move. I just didn't, you know, and you're not seeing no wicks pull down. That was my move. I should have went in heavy and bought the market. I just didn't. And you know what's crazy? I haven't bought the market and sold the market. I haven't bought or sold in so long. Never done it in a long, long time, bro. Good stuff, bro. See if we can get another opportunity. See if we can get another opportunity to hold on, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna start. Yeah, good idea. Start practicing taking those trades on a practice account. I like how you thinking. Thanks for the advice. Good stuff, Rambo. You helped me. You helped me add to my arsenal. I really appreciate it, bro. I really appreciate all of the advice. You can never be too smart for anything. Humble myself. I like the advice you giving me. Help me increase my tools. Thank you, Rambo Cito. Really appreciate that. Really appreciate it, bro. All right, let's see what we can do now. Come on, bro. I'm Rambo. Delta Force Rambo Cito. Ranger Rambo Cito. We are approaching that macro time. Let's see. Boy, say he is Rambo Cito. He is the one and only Rambo. Good scalp on that too. See if we can get a nice. Let me see if we can get a pullback. See if we can get a pullback on this. And I'll go for the next imbalance. Rambo, we got not Rambo. Macro time is coming up. I'm liking this long. I'm liking it. Really am. Yeah, scalping, bro. I know I would have went into like 10 micros or 15 micros, but man, I'm not. It's tricky sometimes for me. But you helped me out though for sure. I really appreciate your help though for sure. This might be a nice little spot right here. Can we get a tap? Can we just tap this right here? 23,363 short, stop loss at the high. You're shorting? Why? Why are you shorting? You about to short this market? Interesting. Interesting, Rambo. Interesting. You're shorting. I didn't never thought that you would short this market. Wasn't expecting that. I'm trying to long this market, bro. Quick scout. I'm gonna work on it, Rambo. I'm a little harsh, man. It's hard for me to scout, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You're good at it. Man, so tough scalping. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Oh, man. I try to scout with like a quick move, and man, you're good at it. Even when we had that jump, I got in too late though. You had a nice entry on that short and a nice scout. I like how you traded that move. I truly do. Rambo, are you in the military or something? Your precision is amazing, bro. Your precision is A plus, bro. A plus. Macro time. Can we get that push? I should have held him. I should have held that. Man, I should have held that. I ain't gonna lie, I got nervous. Got nervous, Rambo. Oh. Got you. What you was Delta Force? Delta Force Ranger? You had those you had them hitting contract move, you had to do you had under the table contracts. My guy was Delta Force out there off the grid. Nice. Oh snap, what I did. Oh snap, what's going on? Hold on. Oh my goodness, bro. What is going on with the charts? I didn't go to the military, bro. My whole family is military, bro. Whole family. My cousin, my aunt, my grandfather, grandpa, bro. All of them military, bro. And I told them I am not going. You was a cook? My cousin, bro, my families are cooks. That's what's crazy, bro. They military and they're cooks. It's crazy. Bro, this is crazy. Come on, can we get that continuation, bro? I hope we can get a continuation. Come on. No droppy. I know you're not a cook, bro. You probably know how to cook everything. Lamb chops. All kind of stuff. Lamb chops. Beans. Man. Wait, Rambo, what is your ethnicity, bro? What is your race? What are you? Middle East, Black, Hispanic, Asian? You know, what are you? American? You know, European? Where are you, man? I gotta know. I don't know. It don't. Bro, you gonna cough up that race, bro. You gonna cough up that race. We need to know this. You got a lot of skills. You got lots of source of skills. Rambo. Bro, you know what's crazy? I was about to say Dominican Republic. They out there living it up. You look Dominican? Wow. Amazing. Dominican. Rambocito sounds Spanish. I mean, Rambocito, I ain't even think Spanish, but I would have thought something along the islands, for real. Cause what Spanish person likes? Do Hispanic people even watch Rambo? Let's be real. Who likes Sylvester Stallone? Who watches Sylvester Stallone? I mean, come on. I mean, I've seen a couple of movies, but what Hispanic is like screaming, Sylvester Stallone. I should have held those 15 micros. Sylvester Stallone. Sylvester. Hey, I'm not trying to. I'm being serious. Like like who over there screaming? Hey, I'm not Spanish, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't want to sound. I don't want to sound. You know. I'm not racist, but I wash my clothes with Suavitel. I'm just letting you know. Suavitel, bro. They got that smell, bro. I'm telling you, I love that. I love their detergent. Love it. They got the best. I got Suavitel. You know the Hispanics love that, bro. That's like the best one. You gotta get some of that. Come on, get that continuation. I don't want to see a drop. Anyways. Marcus, dang, you were so right, Rambo. Just sell it. Just quickly scalp this market and get out. I like holding, but I don't like chopping this. I really don't. See if we can hold this level. I think we can. What am I going for? What's my TP? What's the TP? That's the question. What's the TP? What am I going for? I'm going for these highs. Why are you laughing, Rambo? I like Suavitel. I'm telling you, I got it. I'll show you, bro. I got it. I love it, bro. It smells so good. I was like, bro, y'all smell good. Like, wait a minute, what's that? I was like, okay. Gotta get that. Gang, get out of here. Tired, get out of here. Man, I'm passing time, bro. I gotta get my kids, bro. My kids are like looking for me. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it was fun, bro. It was fun. I enjoyed y'all. Y'all been great, man. Y'all been so great. Especially you, Amire, you been great. Rambo, y'all been great. Everybody in the chat, y'all been great, man. I appreciate y'all even joining. I'm gonna chat it up with you later, Rambo. Y'all been y'all been good, bro. Appreciate y'all. Y'all like family for real. Rambo really is teaching me how to scalp in, scalp out off the fair value. I'm not, man. I get nervous scalping. I can't do it. But Rambo, appreciate you, bro. You really been a good help. Really been a good help, bro. If I make money, cool. If I don't and I get stopped out, cool. I'm cool with whatever. I might just take my profits and go, but we're gonna see. I wanna hold the trade, I really do. I really like what I'm seeing. Market took forever to give us the trade. You know what? I like to see us take out those highs. Thank you for sharpening my skills, Rambo. You really helped me see more, like more detail. Thank you so much.